Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to access Telegram's cloud in 2025. And by the end of this video, you'll know how to seamlessly view your chats, media, and files from anywhere on any device. If you've ever wondered how Telegram keeps your messages in sync, or you're just making sure your data isn't stuck on one phone, this guide will get you confident and set up in no time. Let's dive in and start by making sure you're using the Telegram app itself. That might sound obvious, but it's worth pointing out. Telegram has both mobile and desktop applications, and you can use any of them on your Android or iOS phone, or on your Windows, Mac, or Linux computer. The experience is almost identical across platforms, so you're not limited to a single device, and you can pick whichever feels most comfortable. I find switching from phone to computer is especially handy if you need to send big files or quickly search through your chats. That cross-device flexibility is one of Telegram's strengths. Now, a foundational detail: Telegram is built on cloud storage. That means everything you send or receive, your regular chats, your shared photos, those memes your friend sends at 2 a.m., documents for work, even videos, all of it is automatically saved in Telegram's cloud. There's just one important exception: secret chats. Secret chats are designed to be device-specific. They're end-to-end encrypted, so they are not stored in the cloud and won't be available on other devices. If you've ever noticed you can't find your secret chats when you log in elsewhere, that's why. For all other regular chats, though, Telegram does the heavy lifting in the background. You don't need to manually back up anything or worry about losing those special moments or important information. Just use Telegram and your digital life comes with you. Next, let's log into your Telegram account. You'll do this using your phone number, a simple, secure method that ties your account to you. Whether you're on your phone or sitting at your laptop, open the Telegram app and enter your phone number when prompted. Telegram will send you a verification code, either as a text message or inside the app itself, if you're logged in somewhere else, so keep your phone nearby. This part might take a few moments, especially if you're setting up on a new device or if you're waiting for the code to arrive. Once you verify you're in, that's it. No complicated passwords, no lengthy forms. Telegram keeps things streamlined but secure. And here's the really great part: once you're logged in, all your messages, photos, videos, and files will automatically sync and become available instantly. You'll see your chats exactly as you left them, whether it's yesterday's conversations, last year's group photos, or that critical document someone sent during a meeting. There's no waiting around for backups to restore or for files to download. Telegram's cloud ensures everything is accessible right away and it's all up to date. It's almost like having your entire messaging history in your pocket wherever you are and whichever device you pick up. Also, you can start a chat on your phone on the way to work and finish it on your desktop when you sit down. Telegram bridges those gaps neatly. If you ever switch phones, buy a new laptop, or just want to check your chats from a borrowed computer, you'll find your Telegram data ready and waiting. Don't worry if you're not super tech savvy. The process is really forgiving, and Telegram's cloud keeps everything safe behind the scenes. So that's how you access the Telegram cloud in 2025. Just use the app, log in with your phone number, and enjoy all your chats and files across your devices. I hope this makes staying connected a little easier for you. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or if there's something specific you want to learn about Telegram. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.